could do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours.
Good morning, y'all. I'm back with another video, and today's video here is hold on, wait. Let me get into it real quick. Yeah, but anywho, let's get into this damn video right quick. We is doing a hair video. Y'all, a hair video. So what I wanted to do was, I bought a whole bunch of dyes, like hair dyes. And what I also bought blonde wig, which was a 613 314 wig. And it is 12 inches. Like I said, it's a 613 wig. I bought it off Amazon, if anybody want to know, because I know all the bad bitches want to know where I get my wig from. Where I get my wigs from. Sometimes I get them off Amazon. Sometimes I do AliExpress for the cheaper way. I mean, who finna spend $230 on a wig when these motherfuckers is selling good quality wigs for cheap? Not me, baby. I've been buying wigs for off Amazon, well, off AliExpress for like, I'm gonna say about 3 years now. And AliExpress is a good website. Very true. You just have to read the reviews. And that's what everybody get messed up on. Y'all have to really read these reviews on these websites, because some of them have different people that's on there and that's selling different things. Like Amazon have a certain, like a different company selling something off they shit. Same thing with AliExpress. AliExpress has different companies that sells. AliExpress is just like, say if I was to get on and start selling lashes, I could sell lashes on AliExpress and people will buy them. That's what type of thing AliExpress is. Like, they're all like China, such and such or whatever, from China, and all the companies together combined in. So you never know which one is true unless you read the reviews off the website. So everybody gets so messed up. Like, I can never find a wig, or when I do go on there and find a wig, the wig come back not how your wig be looking. Like, y'all have to read the reviews, because sometimes wigs can say T-part and it's not a lace front, my nigga. Like, a T-parted wig is just one lace. It's like it goes like this. It's like a T. But the laces, it only has a little bit of lace, which is like a tad bit of lace. And then it's a part, no free parts, nothing. It's just the middle part. That's the T part. 314 is a lace that has a little, I won't say a little, but probably like maybe 3 to 2 inches at the most room in it, which you can bleach the knots and all of that. That's a 314 wig, right? Am I saying that right? Or is it? Yeah, a 314. No, I don't think I'm saying that right. I think I am, right? I'm saying it right. I don't know where my bag went to with the wig, but anywho, this is the wig I ordered off Amazon. This wig is called, this wig is from off Amazon. And the company that I got it from is, I know y'all like, they don't usually send the wigs like this, but I had to open it and see what the fuck they was giving me. Like, cause sometimes Amazon will, like trying to tell y'all, like sometimes they will send you the wrong wig. And yeah, I got this from this company. And I will also be putting the link here in my bio for the wig, so y'all will be able to get the wig. So this is the blonde little shinkering. This is a 314. See, it only has like probably like 2 inches at the most, 3. Sometimes the wig be bigger, like not bigger, but in the inside it be more lace with a 314. But this one is a blonde wig. They be trying to cheat us out our money for these damn blonde wigs. Because 613, you can dye it and all that other extra shit. It's a natural color. Same thing with the damn black wigs. They be trying to cheat us out our fucking money. Literally. But this, what I wanted to do with this wig today was dye this hair. I wanted to wear it all blonde today. But what I want to do is, if y'all looked at my old video, well, my room cleaning video, y'all will see I had this jacket that was gray, blue, yellow, purple, brown. It had brown in it, it had pink, red in it. I wanted to dye my wig blue, yellow, pink, and red and gray. The whole wig was going to be gray because my whole jacket is gray. And then the back of it, or like the sides, front or something, was going to be the color. Y'all, I think I want to do that tomorrow. And then do my blonde hair today, because I've been saying I want to do a blonde wig for the fucking longest. And I still haven't done one. So, I got this. This is a 12-inch. A little 12-inch. It's to like probably past my shoulders or something. I'm not gonna bleach the knots, because when I bleach, I don't want to over bleach my knots for the next color, the next style that I'm getting ready to do for tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do is just wait to bleach my knots and bleach them. So I'm finna get started putting on this wig. We have this blonde 613 12-inch wig. We gonna start putting it on. I gotta get my flat irons and everything else ready. I have not plucked this wig, so we gonna see what the fuck we can. I'm finna start flat iron. How melted it is. Like, I was not playing when I said this shit is really melted. Let's flat iron this. So, y'all, this is the wig. I couldn't record on my camera. Storage is full. But this is how I styled it. No edges like I told y'all because it was giving glaze. Full lace. Like, stop playing with her. And I actually like this wig. Y'all, I told y'all I would not want to take it off if I put it on. And I think this looks cute. I never had this in my head, so it looks mad different, but very cute. Somebody tell me if I'm ugly with this on. Let me know. Because I think I want to do it the middle part too. But this side part is madly giving. What's up, YouTube? I am Mac. And y'all, the hair is done. I mean, honey. Like, I'm feeling this blonde. I mean, I don't know if I want to wear it to the side. I really can't do too much with it. Like, a deep, deep side part. That's what I wanted. But the lace is not big enough. So, you know, you got to work what you got to work with, baby. But, do y'all see what this makeup did to this wig? I mean, we ain't even bleached the knots, honey. Who you telling? Lace, where? Like, I mean, literally, where? I am so applaud in myself. Like, seriously. And then this wig is full, so every time it, like, get messed up or something, or I don't comb it, it don't show no tracks or nothing like that. Like, I actually recommend everybody to go on Amazon and get this cheap wig. Like, this is the most cheapest, blondest wig I ever had that was like a little shinkering. Y'all, I'm not going to cut it. I know it's kind of a little uneven. I'm not going to cut it until I redye this wig. I'm